Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. If you're looking for a reliable way to keep your drinks cool, you've come to the right place. We'll explore the unique features of each machine, their ice production capabilities, and how they stack up against each other in terms of price and convenience. Let's get started. The Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, often referred to as sonic ice, which is perfect for drinks and cocktails. In contrast, the Igloo Countertop Ice Maker creates traditional bullet ice, which is harder and hollow. While nugget ice is favored for its texture and ability to keep drinks cold without diluting them too quickly, bullet ice is more common and serves its purpose well for everyday use. When it comes to production capacity, the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker stands out with an impressive output of 34 pounds of ice per day. This makes it an excellent choice for larger gatherings or frequent use. On the other hand, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker produces 26 pounds of ice daily, which is sufficient for casual use but may require more frequent refills during parties or events. Price is a significant factor when choosing an ice maker. The Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $189, reflecting its premium features and high capacity. In contrast, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker is much more budget-friendly at $87, making it an attractive option for those who need a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and how often you plan to use the machine. In conclusion, both the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker have their unique advantages. If you prioritize high capacity and the enjoyment of nugget ice, the Antarctic Star is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a compact, budget-friendly option that still delivers reliable ice production, the Igloo model is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.